Hey y'all, I'm Kay. Today we're vibe coding a mini game from scratch.
No frameworks, just vibes. Blank HTML, a canvas, and one little square. That's it.
I set the canvas, grab the 2D context, and then a loop that paints each frame. WASD moves the square, left, right, up, down. Smooth and simple. All right, y'all, moment of truth, and there we go. She's gliding, kind of fire, right? Bet, let's drop it. Next time, we'll do enemies and a score or something. So like and subscribe. Till next time.